Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to view watch history on TikTok. And now let's start writing. Now to view or see your watch history on TikTok, first open up your TikTok app on your phone. And on this interface, guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see a profile icon for us. Tap on that profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And over here again, we'll be required to tap on the three-lined icon at the top of the screen. Tap on settings and privacy over here. And from over here, guys, scroll down until you can see the activity center just above the content preferences. Tap on activity center, and over here, guys, at the top of the list, you can see your watch history option available for us. Tap on watch history, and over here, guys, all of your watch history with all of the videos you watched will be available over here. And there, this is how you view your watch history on TikTok. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.